Your 401k is quietly suffocating your investment options, and they're betting everything that you won't notice. As a fiduciary, I'm legally required to tell you this, and most financial advisors will hate me for exposing it. If you leave your job or are nearing retirement, moving your 401k into an IRA seems like the obvious next step, but doing it blindly can trigger a massive tax trap or take away the legal protections you didn't even know you had. Today, we're breaking down the hidden pros and cons of staying in the 401k versus rolling it to an IRA, so you can make the right move for your money. A 401k is built for a generic one-size-fits-all accumulator. It is not built for customized retirement. If your goal is to transition from saving money to actually living off your investments, you need a strategy tailored strictly to you. Here's how moving it to an IRA unlocks the control and the specialized income strategies your 401k is actively blocking you from. You have almost unlimited investment opportunities outside of the 401k. You can invest in individual stocks, options, preferred stocks, CDs, annuities, structured notes, private investments, cryptocurrency, and the list continues. And you have complete control over your tax withholding. So you can withhold any exact amount you want for taxes on a distribution from the IRA, or even choose no tax withholdings at all. There's also fewer strings attached. So transferring money directly from your IRA to your checking or savings is significantly easier and has less red tape than the 401k. Some local 401k plans charge you $25 to transfer money to you. That works every once in a while, but not every month, not every 2 weeks. A lot more strings attached to your 401k. You also have investment clarity in the IRA. So unlike the vague 401k plans that hide behind labels like US equity, or the IRA allows you to see the actual ticker symbols of the funds and ETFs you own, so you know exactly what is inside of them. You also have easier Roth conversions. So processing a Roth conversion is much simpler. Modern custodians like Charles Schwab allow you to withhold taxes for the conversion directly from the account at whatever percentage fits your plan. So if you're doing a Roth conversion for $100,000 and you're doing it in the 401k, all your $100,000 goes to the Roth, and you need to write a check for maybe $20,000 out of your savings. Well, if it's in the IRA, you can choose, right? The same $100,000 Roth conversion, you can have Schwab send $20,000 to the IRS, $80,000 to your Roth, and you don't have money out of pocket. Also in the IRA, we can develop some high-paying dividend income strategies. So moving to this IRA allows you to implement these retirement strategies. For example, we have an in-house portfolio that is balanced between stocks and bonds that pays between a 7 to 8% dividend. This includes US large cap, US mid cap, US small cap, international dividend strategies, bonds, right? These are something standard 401k investment menus lack. But before making any decision, it is important to evaluate the specific rules that protect and govern your employer plan. There are 3 key scenarios where keeping assets inside the 401k actually provides a distinct mathematical or structural advantage over an IRA. Let's walk through those. 401k plans are strongly protected from creditors under federal law through the Employee Retirement Income Security Act, ERISA, preventing outside collectors from accessing your funds, though exceptions exist for unpaid taxes and divorce claims. The rule of 55. If you leave your job, whether you quit, retire, or laid off, in or after the calendar year you turn 55, you can withdraw money from that specific employer's 401k completely free of the usual 10% early withdrawal penalty. This age drops to 50 for certain public safety workers. The 401k also helps shield your backdoor Roth conversions by keeping a large retirement balance inside the 401k. This protects you from the pro rata rule. So if you have money in a traditional IRA, the IRS forces you to calculate taxes on the entire aggregate balance, which triggers a massive tax bill and ruins the backdoor Roth strategy. So if the money stays in the 401k, those pro rata rules do not apply. So let's rapid fire through 3 of the most common questions we get from clients who feel stuck in their company plans. Can I roll my 401k if I'm still working? Yes, through an age 59 and a half rollover or an in-service distribution, if your HR department allows it. So most of the big plans around Brevard County allow this. You can then move your funds out of the 401k into an IRA without quitting your job, without retiring, and continue to contribute to your current 401k and receive the company match. The second question we get quite often is, what is a self-directed brokerage account inside my 401k? Think of it as an escape hatch built right into your 401k. It's a hidden feature in many company plans that lets you bypass those restrictive 20 mutual funds, and it allows you to invest in individual stocks and ETFs, giving you the IRA level freedom without ever leaving the safety of your workplace structure. Some plans even allow us to help manage those investments for you. And then why are Roth conversions better in an IRA? Because most 401k custodians make them a logistical nightmare. Many company plans ban conversions entirely, and the ones that do rarely let you use a portion of the account to pay the conversion tax. They expect you to write a massive check out of your personal savings. In an IRA, especially with a custodian like Charles Schwab, we can automatically withhold the exact percentage of tax to fit your specific tax plan, making the process completely seamless. To summarize, unless you fall into those 3 specific categories, creditor protection, allocation, the rule of 55, or the backdoor Roth strategies, you are likely leaving massive amounts of control and performance on the table by staying in a 401k. But you don't have to gamble your retirement on a generic plan that you don't fully understand. When we analyze a client's 401k, we don't just give generic advice. We run a comprehensive in-house investment audit. We compare the fees, the risk, and the actual performance of your current plan against a custom dividend-focused strategy built to fund your lifestyle, not just your savings account. Stop wondering if you're making the wrong move. Head over to McCartyWealth.com and request your personalized 401k analysis today. Now, if you want to see exactly how I weigh the math on a rollover versus stay put decision and see the specific numbers we use, click this video right here, and don't forget to subscribe for more fiduciary grade financial advice. I'm Luke McCarty. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.